Today's topic is 10 superfoods that you need to know about. These are going to be hugely helpful in SHTF situations when you're trying to get as many nutrients as you can. So let's find out what those 10 superfoods are. Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
The power of superfoods. In the ever-evolving landscape of nutrition, the term superfoods has gained prominence, signifying a group of nutrient-dense foods that offer a myriad of health benefits. These foods are celebrated not only for their exceptional nutritional profiles, but also for their potential to enhance overall well-being. We are going to look into the realm of superfoods, exploring the top 10 and understanding why they have earned this esteemed title. Quinoa, the ancient grain marvel. Quinoa, hailed as an ancient grain, has risen to superfood stardom due to its exceptional nutritional composition. Packed with protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, quinoa is a complete protein source. With approximately 222 calories per cup, it provides a sustainable energy source while contributing to muscle growth and repair. Salmon, omega-3 rich, oceans on a plate. Salmon is renowned for its high omega-3 fatty acid content, promoting heart health and cognitive function. Beyond healthy fats, it offers an impressive 25 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a protein-rich, nutrient-dense option. Blueberries, antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries are small but mighty, and they're packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which contribute to their vibrant color. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation. With about 84 calories per cup, blueberries are a low-calorie snack bursting with vitamins and fiber. Broccoli, the cruciferous champion. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, boasts an array of health benefits. Rich in vitamin C and K, as well as fiber, it supports immune function and bone health. With a mere 55 calories per cup, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that aids in weight management. Kale, the dark leafy green dynamo. Kale, a dark leafy green, has earned its superfood status for its dense nutrient profile. With only 33 calories per cup, kale provides a rich source of vitamins A, K, and C, along with minerals like iron and calcium. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to various dishes. Avocado, healthy fats for heart and skin. Avocado, often dubbed a superfruit, is loaded with monounsaturated fats that support heart health. With approximately 234 calories per cup, avocados contribute to feeling full while providing essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamins E, and C. Chia seeds, tiny seeds, massive nutrients. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. With about 138 calories per ounce, chia seeds offer sustained energy and aid in digestive health. They are also known for their ability to absorb water, promoting hydration. Sweet potatoes, a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source. Sweet potatoes, rich in beta-carotene, are a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy. With approximately 112 calories per cup, they offer a host of vitamins, including A and C, and minerals like potassium. Greek yogurt, probiotic-rich protein source. Greek yogurt stands out for its high protein content and probiotic properties, supporting gut health. With about 100 calories per 6-ounce serving, it offers a creamy and nutritious addition to meals and snacks. Spinach. Iron-rich leafy green. Spinach, an iron-rich leafy green, is celebrated for its versatility and nutritional density. With only 7 calories per cup, it provides an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. Superfoods have earned their status through their exceptional nutritional profiles and their health benefits. While each superfood offers unique advantages, collectively they contribute to a well-rounded and nutrient-dense diet. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can be a delicious and health-conscious way to support overall well-being.
Are you already growing any of these superfoods? Are you planning, now that you know about them, to grow any of them? I'll give you an example. I have a whole lot of broccoli that I've dehydrated and then powdered, and it stores very, very well. Same with sweet potatoes. I have a whole lot of that powdered, and it stores very well, and it takes up very little space, but I've got it for when I need it. So any of these things interest you? Are you already on to any of them? I'm not a big fan of kale. Once again, I dehydrate it and powder it. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.